Welcome to the Department of Sociology. We're home to 4 programs: a BA in Criminology and Justice Studies, a BA in Sociology, a minor in Sociology, and a master's in Public Sociology. I'm Mary Vernash, a professor and chair of the department. I'm also a first-generation college graduate and super proud of all our students, staff, and faculty members. So, I've asked several of them to help tell our story.
Hey there, bienvenidos. My name is Elizabeth Diaz. I'm a sociology major from Los Angeles, California. Me and about 20 other CJS and SOC students work in the department as staff, peer mentors, writing coaches, and teaching and research assistants. I work in the main office. That's a photo of me. I love meeting all our students who stop by with questions or just to say hello.
Hey everyone, my name is Mireya Ortega and I'm a professional staff member here in the Sociology department, and I graduated from HSU last May.
Our offices are on the 5th floor of the Behavioral and Social Sciences building, with amazing views of campus and the Humboldt Bay. Our balconies are great places to hang out or study.
I'm Alicia Pearson. I've been the office manager in sociology for 14 years. My favorite part of the job is our students stopping by with questions or to grab a snack from our bowl. Morea and I love to help, but we couldn't do it without our student staff, including our peer mentors like Sabrina.
Our faculty, staff, and students create an amazing community. We take care of each other. With a lot of our classes being pretty small at about 25 to 35 students per class, we get to know each other and our instructors pretty well. Many of us came into SOC and CJS with a commitment to social justice and helping our local communities.
We have a lot of electives to choose from, and major-based peer mentors like Sabrina and me, I'm Kayla, can help you figure out classes, introduce you to faculty advisors, and tell you about the best pizza in town. In addition to core courses, CJS majors choose from electives like gender, sexualities, and crime, U.S.-Mexico border, and juvenile delinquency. Sociology majors have other electives like gender and society, social movements, and environmental sociology. Our majors also share a few electives like community organizing, deviance, drugs and society, and migration.
In our classes, we're always discussing working in teams, applying what we are learning to our own lives and what is happening to the world around us. Working in the community is also part of our major. What I did in my second year required volunteer work, which is also called service learning, I worked at OSNAP, which is our campus food pantry. Working there, I realized what the school is doing to prevent hunger amongst the students, not just by providing them dry goods, but local produce donated by local farmers.
Hello everyone, I am Angie and I graduated from HSU in 2018 with a major in sociology and in critical race, gender, and sexuality studies. Many of our students hold jobs in our department, but that is not the only way students can get involved. Some of our students join our club, the CJS and SOC Club, which organizes events throughout the school year that all students are invited to attend. Others often make connections through their internships that lead to job offers once they have graduated. I will never forget the great support from the dedicated faculty and staff that often were super supportive even outside of the classroom.
Hi, I'm Alejandra Estrada. I worked in the Department of Sociology for my freshman year until I graduated with my Criminology and Justice Studies major just a couple months ago. Here I am presenting my poster for my senior capstone internship with National City Police Department in San Diego County. The process of getting everything cleared and ready with National City was fairly difficult. However, I was lucky enough to have Karen August also make sure that everything was getting cleared and ready for the following semester. She's the only person that many students in the capstone course relied on because of how prepared, informative, and helpful she was. Every week, she made sure that we were completing what needed to be done and guaranteeing that if we needed further assistance, she will make the time. They say that your last semester of college tends to be the quickest one because of all the deadlines approaching. Yet, somehow I felt at ease knowing that if I was having a difficult time, the department staff and faculty were beside me giving me their support. I hope you'll experience the great experience I have. Best of luck!
Hello, my name's Travis Cunha. I'm from Palmdale, California, and I transferred into the sociology program at HSU during my junior year. And when I first got here, I told my advisor that I was definitely trying to go to grad school after I finished up here. And so she quickly got me in contact with the California Center for Rural Policy, where I was hired as a research assistant. And also, I'm working on a research team with Dr. Vinosh and 4 other students evaluating the major-based peer mentor program across our college. And just recently, I was also admitted into the grad program here at HSU, into the sociology program, and awarded a teaching assistantship position. So might be a chance I'll see some of you guys in class this fall.
Well, that's it for now. There are a lot more stories where those came from, so check out our Instagram and website, email us, or just join us and start making your own great Humboldt story. Stay well now.